Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another week, and I'm back at Aldi. And because it's summer, I have a shopper with me. She wanted to come, and you know what? I love Elsie. I love company. So we're doing this together. Let's get into the store, get the week of goodies, and don't forget, I'll share my meal plan at the end, and any recipe I use will be linked below. Let's go. You bring your kids, they find things. She said my sister-in-law has bought these before, and Elsie loved them, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna get these $2.19. My son has been enjoying these as a mid-morning snack. He likes the brown sugar cinnamon, $3.29. Okay, we're gonna get a baguette for $1.49, and this is gonna go with our gnocchi meal. Okay, we were gonna get mangoes, but they're very, very green. Maybe some of them are partially red, but they're really, really hard. So we're gonna try Meyer instead. Yay, white bread is back. My husband did like the Italian bread, but you know, this is what we always get, $1.35. Strawberries are $1.49 a pound. We're gonna get 4 packs of them. We just gotta check them for mold. They look pretty good though. Broccoli is $1.55 a pound, and I wanna make a pasta with broccoli in it. So this is 1.12 pounds, so a little less than $2. Elsie wants to have peanut butter banana marshmallow snack, so I'm gonna get some bananas, 49 cents a pound. Okay, we need romaine lettuce. I'm gonna get a 3-pack of hearts for $3.29 just for salads. I'm not gonna get any of these, but I haven't noticed them before. Sirloin steak tips with different gravies, chimichurri sauce. Yummy. Okay, we are low on heavy cream, and I'm using it for a couple of different meals this week, $5.39. Always running low on butter, $3.59. This is my own personal request, jalapeno cheddar popcorn and pickle. I just like having them on hand. They're easy snacks if people stop by the pool, $1.99 a piece. And while they're still here, I'm gonna get them. Oh my gosh, Elsie just pointed these out to me. We love these all dressed chips. This is a thing in Canada. They're not a thing here. I don't know why they're not a thing here all the time, but $2.19. We're gonna get, what do you think, 3 bags if we can find them?
Yeah.
Just to stock up. So we can see 2. Let's see if we can find 3.
There's one more.
Okay, Elsie's gonna grab it back there. We're getting 3. We love these. If you have an opportunity, try them. They're so good. Okay, celery. I'm making chicken a la king this week. $1.79 for the celery to go in it. But I also need green peppers to go in it. And they don't have green peppers. Nothing. No. Okay, my husband loves to make a peanut butter shake. I'd say half nights. Every other night he probably makes one, and we're low on peanut butter. And you'll see later I'm getting vanilla ice cream too, but peanut butter, $3.95. Croutons for salads. We're big fans of these. Well, it's down there, but it's $1.25. I'm still gonna get this poor guy. Oh my, jeez Louise. Butterfingers. Elsie saw and wants this giant box of Frosted Flakes. $3.25. Okay, and they have these really, really cute wavy mirrors. Good, like, kids, tween, teen bedroom stuff here. Neon signs. They have 3 different designs, only $9.99. Different wall collages, $3.99. Curtain lights, LED lights. Both my teen/tween have these in their room. Oh, now this is something that I like. A phone easel, $3.99. That'd be really good for recording as a stand for my phone. I actually really like that. I think I'm gonna get that. But I also love these. Super cute. I'm a smiley face lover. They have these different candle holders. Oh, I see. You can put the candles in the holder. Different wall tapestries. Lots of cute things. I'm guessing getting dorms set up. Multi-purpose cubes, $3.99. Foam. Earbuds. Oh, these are cute. We used to do these and then we gave up after a while. No one wants to participate in them anymore, but first day of and then the last day of on the back comes with the markers for only $4.99. This is the last one we had here. They must be popular. Brushes, combs. Oh wow, they're only $1.99. Seems like a really good value. I really think that seems like a great value. Bath mats, shower curtains, it just keeps going on and on. Everything a teen could need to go to college. Hair clips, $2.99. It's elastics. Cute. Okay, Elsie found something she needs.
There's a lot of them.
You need that many?
Yeah.
Okay. $2.99. Show everyone your hair. Takes a lot to tame that mane. $2.99. They have super cute underwear. It's only $9.99 for like a 10-pack. Really cute. Or maybe it's 8. I don't know. 10 briefs, 8 briefs. Depends on, I guess, which one you get. But they have different patriotic themed things. Cute little... Oh, I love these. A mini volleyball. Look how cute, Elsie. Mini soccer ball, mini basketball. So cute. Squishmallow sandals. What? Are those kids?
Oh,
Are those kids or adults?
oh, they look big, but like...
I can't tell if they're adult or kids, but they're adorable.
Okay.
Oh, it is. So it's ladies size 7-8, child size 5-6. That's so cute. $9.99. Okay, there are so many Huntington Home plush throws, $7.99. They're super cute. But this is the one I was really drawn to, $9.99. How beautiful is that? I don't know if you have teens like my girls. There's no such thing as enough blankets, especially my older daughter loves them. The yellow rice I made last week was a big hit, but it took almost all my rice, so I need more. $5.89. Okay, so I shared earlier this year that we do really simple lunch additions to fresh fruits and fresh veggies, and Elsie wants to give this roasted chicken rice a chance. So it's $1.39 a piece. We're gonna get 2 in hopes that she actually really likes it. Okay, so Elsie wants me to make 2 pounds of spaghetti at the beginning of the week, and then she just has pasta to munch on. My kids are in their pasta era. $1.89. I have some of this, but I'm using this pesto in a recipe this week. We love this pesto. It's $2.19. Okay, there's rotini down here. I'm making a broccoli pesto parmesan pasta, 98 cents. And I have a feeling my kids won't eat it because they told me that. So my husband and I will eat that, and then they're gonna have plain pasta. 98 cents. Okay, tomorrow we're having a really simple dinner of leftovers plus a box of white mac and cheese, $1.59, because we're meeting family for lunch. So we probably won't be super hungry, and this will be our easy dinner. I need 2 boxes. I need chicken stock for one of the recipes, $1.45. We almost completely ran out of brown sugar, so I need more, $2.09. And we've been baking a lot. I made dumplings, we made bread. I'm making breadsticks this week, so I need more flour, $2.35. I'm using freezer meats for my meats this week, so I get to bypass that. Also stuff that I got in my Trader Joe's haul. Just looking to see if there's anything over here eye-catching. Nothing catches my eye this week. Okay, so I need a block of feta for the broccoli pasta. I think I said Parmesan earlier, but I meant feta. And it's on sale, yay! For $2.39, I'm gonna get tomato basil. I also need shredded Parmesan, $2.19. And a block of Parmesan. That one's Asiago. Asiago. It's like a cheese roulette. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? Lucky Asiago. Okay, maybe I have to dig under the second box. Parmesan, yay! $4.39. Oh my gosh, they have mini corn dogs. My husband likes these. I like these. My kids won't go near them, but I love mini corn dogs. They also have these wrapped in puff pastry, a Euro kit, roast beef sandwiches, veal patties, a lot of the repeats from last week. They have chicken taco bake, supreme pizza skillet. Those are $5.99. Deep dish pizzas, crab patties. Lots of repeats. Breakfast skillets for 2, $4.99. Pretty decent. We have a lot of the same desserts that we've been seeing. Oh, these are new though. Let me see. $4.49, and you get mini tropical fruit and mini berries. There's 12 all together. Else, does this look good to you?
Yeah.
Okay, Elsie said these don't look good, so I think I'll pass. If she would have wanted them, I'd get them, but I won't eat them either. They're only 60 calories each. A nice little dessert for you. $4.49. And then a lot of repeats over here. Elsie also has to get sharp cheddar shredded, $2.79. Sharp cheddar is her favorite. I'm gonna get Swiss cheese sliced for our baguette. My husband really loves bread, butter, and cheese, and I thought that sounded good, $1.65. The rest of my husband's peanut butter shake is right here, $5.95 a gallon, or a pail of vanilla ice cream. I was excited to come look at these because I heard that these were on clearance and some Aldi's for like a couple dollars, but they're still not here. But these are on clearance. If only I had the space for them. Okay, here's our cart and my shopping buddy. Any guess on the total? Okay, our total was $96.94, and now we're gonna head to Meijer. Well, blueberry pines are on sale for $1.49. Oh wait, there's one. I thought there were none. We'll get the last one. So we're getting a pint of blueberries. Okay, so the mangoes look much better here. And bonus, well, I guess they're a little more than Aldi, but they're part of their 7 for 7. So it helps us get towards that. And 7 for 7 deals are some of my favorites. Look at this big guy. These are bigger than Aldi's too. Do you like this one too?
Yeah.
How many do you want?
3.
Okay, we're gonna get 3. So those are 2 of them. I'll let Elsie pick them because Elsie is my big mango eater. There must be a problem because the green peppers are only 89 cents, but they have none. What's going on? Okay, so I'm not getting pistachios, but I love that someone did this. They put a coupon on top of pistachios so that whoever wants to buy those has a coupon. Whoever did that is my type of person. Okay, so Elsie has a wild hair about a snack I used to make them. Bananas, peanut butter, and marshmallow cream, and then you want to dip them in chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, it's kind of a hodgepodge of lots of things. $2.89 for the fluff. Aldi used to sell this, but I think it's only a winter thing, maybe seasonal baking. So we're getting this one. Okay, so she brought up the chocolate after we left Aldi, so we couldn't get their chocolate chips, but now we gotta find, I don't know if she wants, you want special dark?
Oh.
Yeah, they have milk chocolate, they have semi-sweet, they have dark chocolate. Okay, we switched, same price to milk chocolate, $2.55. I don't know the last time we bought SpaghettiOs, but I saw they were on sale 7 for 7, and Elsie said they sounded good. So we're gonna get a couple cans. I think we'll get the princess ones for my princess. Castle Crown carriage slipper. There you go, baby. How many do you want me to get? 2?
3. Don't know which one.
Okay, so Elsie wants a mom and dad game night, right?
Yes.
We're gonna get Wingstop, that's her goal, and then she wanted to get sparkling red grape cocktail, $4.29. Is that the one you want?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, cider.
Or there's cider. She's changed her mind, she's going for the cider. Okay, so when we were walking by to get the sparkling juice, I saw pumpkin spice rum chata. $12.99 instead of $26. I think I'm gonna grab that. I've always been curious. I love rum chata. I love pumpkin spice, and the price was speaking to me. Okay, so I was looking for mini fruit pies, and they don't have them. I used to buy Marie Callender's mini fruit pies and eat them when I watch Big Brother, but they don't have them. But Elsie saw these and wants them for $3.69. Here is another favorite of my children's for easy lunches. These cheese pizzas, again, cook them, add them to a fruit and a veggie. So I'm gonna get probably 6 of the cheese. But you have to be careful because you can't always trust that they're all cheese. They're normally $2.29, but if you buy at least 7 of the 7 for 7, they're $1 a piece. Okay, they're all cheese, yay. Okay, this is my total. Or here is everything. Any guess on the total? Okay, so our meal plan for the week. Tonight we're having white mac and cheese or leftovers, again, because we're meeting family for lunch. I don't know how hungry we'll be come dinner time, so something really simple. And to help clear leftovers. Tuesday, we're having gnocchi. I actually have 2 bags of frozen gnocchi. One's cauliflower gnocchi. One is like a peppery gnocchi, both from Trader Joe's. I'm going to make Alfredo sauce. I am going to make chicken. I just didn't have room to write that. And then their Kung Pao Brussels sprouts on Tuesday. If you remember last week, I shared a Trader Joe's haul, and I'm using up a lot of the food from that this week. Chicken a la king on Wednesday. I'm making this on Wednesday because my oldest daughter is at camp for 2 weeks, and she obviously, as a vegetarian, wouldn't like something like chicken a la king, and then I don't have to worry about making a vegetarian version. So I'm excited to make that. My son that doesn't love chicken will still eat chicken broth, so as long as he doesn't get like a giant chunk, he'll still like that. Thursday, we're going to have leftovers or fend for yourself because the chicken a la king makes quite a bit. It's an easy leftover dinner, or to clear up something else. Friday, we are going to have a game night with my middle daughter, Elsie, and get Wingstop. This is going to be kind of a late night, so I'll probably make something super simple for my son. He's going to be asleep while we do this. He doesn't know, but that's what we bought the sparkling juice for. I'm going to cut up celery and carrots, and then we're going to get boneless wings, which is Elsie's favorite, and play games with her. It'll be fun one-on-one time late at night. Saturday, I'm going to make a feta broccoli pesto pasta that I saw on, I think I saw it on YouTube, maybe Instagram, but I'll link to the recipe below. But it looked really yummy to me. It's vegetarian friendly. I don't know if my kids will eat it because it's just different than how I normally make pasta. But my husband said he'll try it. I think the feta kind of weirds my kids out. But I'm also going to make plain noodles on the side, or we'll have the plain noodles from the 2 pounds of spaghetti that I'll make anyways, that my kids can just have plain like Parmesan buttered noodles. And then I'm going to make breadsticks. And then Sunday, I'm using Kung Pao chicken. That is also from Trader Joe's. Garlicky cabbage from Trader Joe's. And then I'm going to make sesame noodles. That's basically, I take a box of Asian noodles. I have some that I bought a long time ago at a Walmart haul. And then sesame oil, garlic, very basic soy sauce. It's really a delicious sauce, pretty basic, and I will share that below. But this is our week of meals. I know I mentioned a lot of Trader Joe's items. I don't shop there regularly or weekly, but if you want to see the haul that gave me a lot of items for this week's meal plan, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.